How to fix the Wi-Fi not working on your Chromebook. So whether you're unable to connect to your Wi-Fi network or the internet's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is click on your taskbar in the bottom right hand side, click on this power icon, and then go and click on the restart button. Sometimes just a simple restart can go and fix any network issues. Now once your computer's restarted, click back on the taskbar and go and click on Wi-Fi. Make sure this Wi-Fi feature here is turned on and enabled, and then go and click on Network Settings in the top right hand side. Now if you're currently connected to a network like this, then just go and click on this Forget button, then just go and click on Wi-Fi from the list of options. You could then go and click on your Wi-Fi network, and you'll just need to go and re-enter the password in order to reconnect. Now once you've done this, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, click on About Chrome in the bottom left hand side and click on this Check for Updates button and just ensure that your software is fully up to date. You could then click on Diagnostics, click on Connectivity, and now this is going to scan your computer to try and diagnose any Wi-Fi issues. If it's still not working, click on Privacy and Security from the left hand side, and where it says Select DNS Provider, click on the drop down arrow and make sure Network Default is selected. Once you've followed all of these steps, your Wi-Fi should now be working.